Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update the login credentials for a network location on your Windows computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and begin by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best man should go back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to large icons. And now you want to scroll down until you find user accounts and go ahead and left click on that. Select manage your credentials on the left side. And now at this point you could either modify your web credentials or your Windows credentials. So just by selecting it, you have the option to go ahead and edit or modify a credential from here. You can add credentials by clicking on that option right there pretty much. So once there's options that are created, you have the ability to modify or edit them. So if you were to click inside the drop down, you'd be able to access username, password, as well as the type of credential. So again, pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.